Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. All right, so today I have a super easy, delicious recipe for you. I am making apple dumplings, crescent roll apple dumplings. It's that time of year, it's apple season. So what better way to use your apples than to make apple dumplings? This recipe is an oldie but goodie. I used to make this a lot, but it's been a while since I've made it. And it is so easy, like I said, and it only uses just a few ingredients. So let me go over those ingredients with you and show you just how to make these delicious apple dumplings. So you will need 2 cans of crescent rolls, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 sticks of butter, and then I have a can of Fresca. That's just because that's the soda that I'd like to drink. But you can also use a can of Sprite, or even a can of Mountain Dew would work really well. I have here 2 Granny Smith apples, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So the first thing that I'm going to do is peel each apple and then cut them into 8 pieces. So once you have your apples cut, then I'm going to take each apple and wrap it in the crescent roll. And then I'm going to place the crescent roll into a greased baking dish. Just take your apple and wrap the crescent roll right around it, just like that. Place it in your baking dish. Easy peasy. All right, so now I'm just going to take a small sauce pot and I'm going to combine my butter and sugar, cinnamon and vanilla. And I'm going to let both sticks of butter melt. All right, so once the butter is melted, I'm just going to add my brown sugar and my cinnamon and vanilla. And I'm just going to cook this just until all that brown sugar is dissolved into the butter. It doesn't take long. We're not boiling this or anything like that, just until it all comes together. All right, so this looks good. So now I'm just going to pour this brown sugar mixture over top of my dumplings. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open my can of Fresca and I'm going to pour it into my dumplings. Now I'm not going to pour it over, I'm going to pour it around. That's important. Don't pour it directly over your dumplings. Kind of pour it around in between all the dumplings. And now I'm going to bake this uncovered in a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until everything is nice and golden brown and hot and bubbly. Oh yeah, it makes a delicious sauce. Goes good with vanilla ice cream, just saying. It's just glorious. It really is. It is so delicious. All right, guys, that apple is nice and tender. You cannot beat this dessert. Go and pick up a couple cans of crescent rolls, a couple apples, a can of soda, whatever you want, your favorite, you pick, and make this. You need to make this. Trust me, you will not be sorry. Okay, I've got to stop and say thank you all so much for watching. God bless. Have a fantastic day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.